doctrine of basic structure is a judicial innovation in India. It came into existence when the Supreme Court pronounced it in the famous Keshavananda Bharati versus the state of Kerala 1973 case. The Supreme Court said that there are few basic things in the Constitution. They are like the pillars of the Constitution, and they cannot be changed even by an amendment to the Constitution, because if we change them, it would be like making a new Constitution, which will defeat the dream of the makers of the Indian Constitution, because the Indian Constitution is the product of the Indian freedom struggle. Do you understand that? And therefore, the Constitution has been made by keeping the values of the freedom struggle intact. So, if the basic pillars of the Indian constitutions are removed by amendments to the Constitution, it would be like making a new Constitution, and the Parliament does not have the power to make a new Constitution. Only the Constituent Assembly has the power to make a new Constitution. It no longer exists. Do you understand that? That is the doctrine of basic structure. Ab Keshavananda Bharati case and in subsequent cases, the Supreme Court has highlighted that this is also a part of basic structure, that is also a part of basic structure, but the list is a non-exhaustive list. ठीक है, मतलब और भी कुछ ऐड हो सकता है इस बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर में, एंड दिस हैज बिकम अ पॉइंट ऑफ क्रिटिसिज्म एज वेल फॉर द जुडिशरी, क्योंकि जुडिशरी कुछ भी ऐड कर सकती है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू the basic structure. But again, we have to bow down to the judiciary, because the makers of the Indian Constitution said that the Supreme Court of India will be the final interpreter of the Constitution.